Away from the aviation sector, traders are hard hit by the ban on motorcycles in several states across the country and the threat by the federal government to outlaw commercial motorcycles, popularly known as Okada. Now, according to the foreign trade reports from the National Bureau of Statistics, motorcycle imports into Nigeria declined by 35.92% in the second quarter of 2022. The total motorcycle imports crashed to 47.8 billion naira in Q2 2022 from 74.58 billion naira in Q1 2022. This decline comes as the federal government considers banning the use of motorcycles in mining activities following terrorist attacks on the Kuje Correctional Facility on July 5, as well as other attacks recorded nationwide. To other stories now, the Nigerian Governors Forum has launched a public finance database to easily filter the fiscal and data information of states across the country. The development was part of the outcome at the forum's peer learning event in the nation's capital, Abuja, and the sub-nationals say it will reflect their commitment to fiscal transparency. Lara Falayo tells us more in this report.
A peer learning event on internally generated revenue by the Nigerian Governors Forum. The states say they will make their policies respond to the fast-changing tax environment to overcome evasion and avoidance. They believe their 2019 decision to reform the tax system towards greater efficiency and effectiveness has seen a 35% rise in IGR to 1.67 trillion in 2021. The tempo now needs to be sustained.
We must not lose sight of the need to sustain and advance the momentum of reforms considering the decline in the FAC receipts. Our renewed effort must take into consideration the emerging dynamics surrounding private income in Nigeria, including the devaluation effect of the rising inflation rate.
There is the need to de-emphasize and depersonalize projects so that the citizen will begin to relate all ongoing laudable projects in the states to tax revenue. This singular act, to a great extent, will increase the tax morale and enhance compliance.
But there's only one economy, one Nigerian economy. And we all have to work collaboratively in building and growing this economy.
Some of this. Comparative analysis, same thing.
The high point of this meeting is the launch of a public finance database, which is the country's first reference database for state-level public finance data. The subnationals say it reflects their commitment to fiscal transparency, accountability, as well as a resolve to strengthening good governance.
The portal will host comparable annual data on government spending, revenues, and financing in all states, and will feature hundreds of performance indicators that measure the quality of public spending and the intersection of public financial management and service delivery in the country.
It's a veritable and collaborative tool for knowledge sharing among states, and it provides a platform to compare notes and build the capacity of the economic management teams in the states.
The meeting was themed State of Tax Reforms in Nigeria, derived from efforts made over the past 8 years to boost domestic resource mobilization through programs around evidence-based tax reforms advocacy and technical assistance to states. Lara Folayo, TVC News, Abuja.